Writing a song in any genre can seem a lot more complicated and harder than it is. In this video, we're going to simplify it so that anyone can do it. I'm Manny, and on this channel, I make videos teaching skills that have helped me improve at rap faster and with greater ease. So let's get straight into the video. The simplest method is to ask why you're writing the track. What is that direction? Where is it going? What do you want to do with this? Once you know the answer to this, brainstorm as many ideas based on the topic or theme that you can think of. You can do this through mind mapping or writing a list of associations, and then you can write your bars based on this. If you don't have any particular purpose in writing the song, then pick an instrumental that deeply resonates with you, that you really vibe with. Then begin to write down the vibe and the feelings that you're getting as you're listening to the instrumental. All this is so that we don't get sidetracked when we're writing the verses and the hook. Then find an instrument or particular sound and rhythm in the instrumental that you can flow along to. For me, it's usually the drums, the kicks, the snare drum, but it can be anything that you want, anything that stands out to you in the beat. Then freestyle or scat, aka mumble rap with a rhythm over the instrumental to help you find the flow that you're going to go forward with while you're writing your song, while you're writing your bars. This will also help you align the syllables for each line, each bar that you write, so that they bounce off each other and match the beat really, really well. Now begin writing words that match the theme of the song / instrumental, making sure that you're able to recite them in a similar way, in a similar flow to one of the rhythms that you scattered and recorded earlier, allowing you to flow to the beat effectively and effortlessly. You can also write the hook first, as for some it can be the hardest thing, thinking about the hook, the most important part of the song, or you can do this last if you prefer to write the verses, whichever best suits your needs. Also, make sure you scatter rhythm for the hook as well. Actually, it's very important that you come up with a rhythm here, because the hook's just about being catchy and repetitive and simple. So the most important thing in the hook is actually how it flows. Is it catchy, not the words that you said. I sometimes find it very, very difficult to turn the ideas that I've written down, that are mind mapped, into bars. So in order to get around this, I talk in terms of emotion, meaning how it made me feel, what was going on inside me when the situation or the theme idea that I'm writing about was happening. So if the song's about a romantic interest, a romantic interaction, just for example's sake, I might say something like, when I first set eyes upon you, my jaw dropped, heart stopped, but it felt great, booty so thick I couldn't think straight. I was genuinely just trying to convey what was going on inside me there when the situation occurred, but yet so many ideas came out and flowed. You could tell that I'm talking about a romantic interest. From that gleam what this song is about, gleam the idea, right? And if you need to write something like an intro, outro, or even a bridge for your song, you do the same thing. You scatter rhythm, freestyle rhythm, you get ideas from the mind map, the brainstorming that you did, and that's what you base your intro, outro on. Or you can base your intro and outro on your personality. You can just let your personality out when you're doing the intro to the song or the outro. So just to break down every step that I've given you there, just to show you that it works in writing a song, I'm just going to write an example verse and hook right here, do a little recording of it, play at the end. And I'm going to make this song about grinding as an artist and the struggles, the emotions that come with that. So I'm just going to open up the notes app in my phone and brainstorm some association based on this. So for this, maybe I can put people testing you, to see if you got it. Hard times, emotions can be like anger, passion, dedication, hard work, do it for the love, randomly carry on tradition, resolve, not quitting, seize the opportunity. Right, cool. So I've just opened up the notes app on my phone and brainstormed some bullet points of what the song could be about. If being tested as I'm trying to grind as an artist, what's that gonna make me feel? It might make me feel fear, it might make me feel anger. So let's go with anger. And if I'm writing that, maybe I can start with the line, wanna test me, I might strike him in traffic. Now, a really good trick when you're writing your songs or writing just a 16 bar, when you get stuck, and you don't know what to say next. A lot of the time it's usually because you want to rhyme and you're stuck on the rhyme. I'm gonna stick to speaking about anger, so I want these two first bars that I write to make sense. But because I'm stuck on the rhyme on the first line, what I'm gonna do is just go over each letter of the alphabet, think of a word that sounds similar to the word that I want to rhyme, which is traffic, and go over each letter. So let me run you through that now again on the notes app. So you just open up a notes app on your phone, or you'd get a notepad and write this down. So A, what rhymes with traffic as A? So that might be attic. You come across a letter that you can't think of a word that rhymes with the word that you're trying to rhyme, you just write the letter and leave it blank and go on to the next one. E, F. Also, if you come across a letter where you can think of multiple rhymes, then write all of them. You can also get creative and create a multi-chain rhyme. So if I'm trying to rhyme traffic, I might go, I know you're a fan bitch. Words that are really two words put together to rhyme one big word. So I would write a list similar to what I've written now. Look at the words. Obviously I haven't gone all the way to Z, this is just an example. Look at the words I've got now and what word stands out to me. Mechanic. So traffic and mechanic, kind of good associations because they're both based on cars. So to be clever, how can I associate the two? So when it test me, I might strike him in traffic. What happens when you doing something violent? You get your hands dirty. When it tests me, I might strike him in traffic, get my hands dirty just like a mechanic. Could be the first two lines that I write. And then again, looking at the associations, maybe I can carry on writing. Put the word panic there. I leave people frightened and panic like I pulled a red knife on my jacket. When it tests me, I might strike him in traffic, get my hands dirty just like a mechanic. I leave people frightened and panic like I pulled a red knife on my jacket. And then again, carrying on from the theme of anger, of people testing your dreams, testing your resolve. What can that create? Very dark emotions. It can create resistance. So how can I personify that in the worst way? I could say something like, I'm like a demon inside of a savage. So as you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm asking questions just to help me associate the bar that I'm writing now with the previous bar and with the current theme that I'm writing about. So I'm like a demon inside of a savage. And then I could ask why? Why do I care so much? Well, if I go back to this, I've got hard times written. So I could say music helped me out in hard times. I've got a passion for it, dedication. Why? Because it saved my life. What's a better way than saying it saved my life that's not too generic and that carries on the rhyme scheme? Well, if I go to the words that I've got associated with rhymes, the first word I put down is attic. So I'm like a demon inside of a savage. If it weren't for the music, I'd have carried out suicide in an attic. Boom. That hits the point home. It talks about why I'm passionate about music. It talks about it saved my life, but in a more dramatic way. And then I can go back and say, because the inside of my mind is a manic prison infested with villains interested in doing things that are psychopathic. Again, it lines up to why the music calmed me down, why it saved my life, right? Because the inside of my mind is a manic prison infested with villains interested in doing things that are psychopathic. That explains the previous bar that I wrote. And then I can talk about my skill a little bit since we're talking about grinding as an MC. So what's my skill? Well, if I'm thinking about the list of rhymes that I wrote, again, if I'm continuing this rhyme scheme, I wrote the word classic there. So I can look at that and connect it somewhere. I write those classics. I write those classics is the punchline. What can I say before that? Right, this is going to be a bit generic, but fuck it, we'll do this. Fuck J.K. Rowling. Why? Because I write those classics. I'm like a demon inside of a savage. If it weren't for the music, I'd have carried out suicide in an attic, because the inside of my mind is a manic prison infested with villains interested in doing things that are psychopathic. Fuck J.K. Rowling. Why? Because I write those classics. I might go savage, pick up the mic, because that's what you do when you're MCing, and start beating it up, which means start giving it my all, basically, which is one of the things I wrote down in my brainstorming. Start beating it up. And then going back to the theme of anger in this first verse, I don't want to get all greasy and stuff, so don't try no fucking beef in my blood. So yeah, basically that's the verse. That's 16 bars right there. Hopefully that gives you a good example. And then quickly on the hook, I might put on the instrumental, and then I'm gonna scat something. This is the point where I'd scat. And the instrumental that I'm using for this example song is produced by Beats by Hennerz. If you don't know about him, check out his channel. He's got great grime beats, great trap beats, great Skepta type beats, beats of all that kind, that UK vibe. If you like that kind of instrumental, then check out his channel. But anyway, after scatting a little rhythm for the hook, I might come out with something like, I've been creeping for so long, you've been leading me along. I need to breathe, I need to bond. See my goal, I'm creeping down. Yeah, that work. I've been creeping for so long, you've been leading me along. I need to breathe, I need to bond. See my goal, I'm creeping down. That's the hook, because it talks about creeping here. It talks about grinding for a long time as an artist. People lead you along the way. You need to chill, you need to keep focused, keep composed, so you bong, you know, you take a hit of the big bong and you keep your eye on the goal. You're creeping down. So I like that hook, that exemplifies the thing. So let me play you an example verse of what I just did.
Beating it up, yeah, beating it up. Pick up the mic. Wanna test me, I might strike him in traffic. Get my hands dirty just like a mechanic. I leave people frightened in panic. Like I put the red knife on my jacket. I'm like a demon inside of a savage. If it weren't for the music, I would've carried out suicide in an attic. Cause the inside of my mind is a manic. Prison infested, with villains interested in doing things that are psychopathic. Fuck J.K. Rowling, why? Cause I write those classics, might go savage. Pick up the mic, stop beating it up. Don't wanna turn all greasy and stuff, so don't try no fucking beefing me, blood. I've been creeping for so long, you've been leading me along. I need to breathe, I need to bong. See my goal, I'm creeping down. I've been creeping for so long, you've been leading me along. I need to breathe, I need to bong. See my goal, I'm creeping down.
So there you have it. Hopefully these principles were clear. It's pretty simple. This is what I do every time to just get a quick song out myself. Try these out. Hopefully they help you out. Follow the instructions and you should get a song out of yourself, or at least a skeleton for a song that you can build upon. With all that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you stayed all the way to the end, thank you very much. If you're a subscriber, this channel wouldn't be here without you. If you can do me a quick favor, just like this video so that it can go to someone else who needs to get this information so that they can get better as an MC as well. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Peace.